बासी कुसी खिचड़ी साग पात कचनाय, नरसी बैठा जीम बा धरी थाल के मार, धर तुलसी अर्पण करी आरो गो बलवीर, गरम हो गई खिचड़ी चावल हो गई खीर। Stale, rotten, decomposed, worthless khichdi without any vegetables was served to Narsiji. Putting basil leaf on that, Narsiji offered that khichdi to Sri Krishna and requested to relish it by the grace of the Lord. That khichdi became hot kheer. साग पात सरसा हुआ पापड़ और पितोड़, सटरस भोजन है गया जब आरोग्य रण छोड़। सूर्या मारे सवड़ का नरसी करे मनुहार, उधर भरो भावे नहीं भरा रहा सब थार। As soon as the Lord enjoyed that offering, it turned into pudding, crisp cakes, sweets of 6 prominent tastes, etc. The saints started to swallow, gulp, and Narsi requested to go on eating even after full satiation. नरसी ने जीमता देखा सब परिवार, श्रीरंग में खोटी भई रूस गया न्योतार। श्रीरंग फिरे मना होता अब करे न कोई खेद, नरसी की सरसी करी करो पंगत में भेद। When all the guests saw the excellent feast enjoyed by Narsi and his group, they became angry for the discrimination in the feast. Sri Rangji began to request all the guests, saying that it was not from my side. मेरी तरफ से यह नहीं था। बड़ो भरोसो थारो सांवलिया, बड़ो भरोसो थारो, खम्भ फाड़ प्रहलाद उबारो, नक्सु उदर बिढ़ारो रे। इंद्र कोप किया ब्रज ऊपर, नख पर गिरवर धारो रे। द्रुपद सुता की लज्जा राखी, दुष्ट दुशासन हारो रे। जल डूबत गजराज उबारो, आरत होए पुकारो रे। नरसी कह सुन सावलिया, आकर काज सुधारो रे। ओ सावलिया, I have great confidence, faith, trust in you. Bursting the pillar, you saved Prahlad and teared the belly of Hiranyakashipu. Indra terrified Braj by heavy rain, cats and dogs. You saved the respect, the modesty of Draupadi. Wicked Dushasan was defeated. You saved Gajraj from the jaw of crocodile when he called upon you. And oh Savalya, listen my prayer of Narsi and accomplish the Mairo of Nanibai. कट्ठे तो लगाई इतनी बेर, सांवलिया कट्ठे लगाई इतनी बेर। कई भक्तन हित काज सुधारा, कई नजरा लियो घोघेर। जो जो चीज लिखी कागज में सो सब आजो लेर। नारद शारद गणपति लाजो रिद्धि सिद्धि का ढेर। How, why, and where have you become so late? Oh Savaliya, why are you become late? Are you busy in completing the works of your devotees? Or are you overpowered by sleep? Bring all the items written in the letter. Come along with Narad, Sharad, Ganpati and Riddhi Siddhi. राधा तो रुक्मण साथे लाजो और भंडारी कुबेर। माला दीना साथ जमाया हुंडी दैच सिकेर। आगे काज अनेक सुधारा भरोज माहिरो फेर। मोय भरोसो थारो सांवरिया मोय भरोसो थारो। आप लगाई इतनी देर। Bring Radha, Rukmani and Kubir also along with you. Formerly you encashed the promissory note. You cleared the payment of the hundi. I had faith in you. Therefore, I gave Bhandara to saints and handed over the hundi to the travelers who are going to your Dwarka. Formerly, you accomplished so many works, but now, why are you become so late? Now you give my robe, as I have faith in you. कहीं थाने रुकमण विल माया पड़ी इन काना में टेर। थारे भरोसे खाली आयो कछुन आयो लेर। आगू भक्त अनेक वारे अब के मेरी बेर। नरसी में तो दास तुम्हारो सुमरत सांझ सवेर। As you did so many works for me, similarly now also you give my robe to Nani Bai. I have full faith in you. Why are you becoming so late? Has Rukmani enamored you? Or have your ears not received my prayer? I have come empty-handed because of your faith. Formerly, you liberated so many devotees. Now it is my turn. I am your slave. I remember you day and night, evening and morning. एजी मारा नटवर नागरिया, एजी मारा नटवर नागरिया। भगतारे क्यों नहीं आयो रे, एजी मारा नटवर नागरिया। धना भगत की भगत पुरबली, जिलो खेत निपायो रे। बीज लेर साधान बाटो बिन बेज निप जायो रे। Oh my Natwar Nagariya, why are you not coming to your devotees? The devotion of Dhana Bhagat was so powerful that you plowed and generated his form without seeds.